Before we get today's video started, which we do some epic stuff, surprise my mom and dad with a brand new aquarium and get them some baller fish. Am I right? How did you get here, dude? That was real. That was not fake. Oh my. We have a sponsor for today's video. This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com. Now, if you have been watching my channel for a bit now, you know I've been working with Manscaped for a very long time. And I am a big fan of the Performance Package Kit, which is the world's first all-in-one men's grooming kit that makes trimming the hedges efficient and easy. I'm excited to announce that Manscaped has actually released a new in-shower solution specifically designed for men. The new Ultra Premium Body Wash. The texture, the smell, everything about this just... The new body wash by Manscaped is a premium daily shower gel scented with Manscaped's refined cologne and features a luxurious lather for any skin type. Now, just like all the liquid products in the Manscaped collection, it has a cologne quality fragrancy that is both subtle and masculine that lasts. It is infused with aloe vera and sea salt, so it gives a perfect balance of tough cleaning and soothing hydration. Keep your skin clean, fresh, moisturized, and reinvigorated without over drying. The 16-ounce aluminum bottle has a convenient pump top to measure the perfect amount of body wash needed for a head-to-toe coverage. The refined body wash is a vegan formula that is both gentle and nourishing on your skin. Made specifically for men for that all-day fresh feeling. The refined body wash kit is the ultimate complement to your in-the-shower grooming routine. After you cleanse with the refined body wash, grab your Lawnmower 4.0 waterproof body trimmer and shave while your skin is soft and properly prepped for trimming. Now be sure to opt in for the Manscaped Peak Hygiene Plan so that you can make sure that you never run out of your favorite Manscaped products. Get monthly or quarterly replenishments of Manscaped's body wash with no hassle. Delivered straight to your door. Thank you, Manscaped, for stepping up my shower game. Now go to manscaped.com and use promo code Cuffaro, C-U-F-F-A-R-O, Cuffaro, and get 20% off plus free shipping. That is 20% off plus free shipping. Top link in the description, manscaped.com, code Cuffaro. Thank you so much, Manscaped, for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, enjoy. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is a beautiful video. We are getting fish from my mom and dad's new aquarium. This aquarium actually came from the guest room at the farmhouse, but I just went shopping. I got a couple things. Some live plants. We're here at the pet store. And we got some substrate right here. 27 buckaroos for this sucker though. But this is a really nice substrate. We're gonna buy 2 of these. I don't know how much these weigh each, but they're heavy. Ooh, tiny tails. Should I get a hamster? What do you think? Fellas, think before you buy. I just got a bag of substrate right there. This is $27 on the shelf. $14.99 price match. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Save myself $24. $26. Look at that. Woo! Now that you know what we got, let's get it on into the tank. My parents also don't know that this is here in the middle of their living room. So this is a little trick that myself and I'm sure a couple other people have used this in the past, but it's the little bowl trick. So if you look closely, as you fill a tank, if you lay a glass bowl, something with weight, at the bottom of the aquarium, it won't stir up the sand. You just let that pressure hit the bowl and it bounces right back up to the surface. It's a little trick. Tricks and tips by PC. Thank you very much. Now that the tank is full and we have a bowl at the bottom, it's time to get our live plants into the aquarium. I gotta get these right here. All of our plants. We got 1, we got 2, 3, 4. Definitely some work that needs to be done to this tank, but for now, it's like 12 in the morning right now. Just finished it up. Look at this. This is just a couple days later without the black background yet. I just bought this slim light right here. Good, I just wanted to update you guys. This is how we're looking. Got my mom some flowers too, you already know. Gotta treat your moms right. It looks really good. All right, we're here at the airport. We're picking up my mom and dad right now. They have no idea there's a beautiful fish tank in their living room. I also cleaned their 2 other beta tanks while I was there today. So they got a clean house to come home to. My mom's got flowers. They're gonna be stoked. But another thing I wanna do in today's video is actually let my mom go to the store with me. We've never done this. And have my mom pick out her own fish for her new aquarium. So again, they have no idea. They're gonna be wondering why I'm filming right now. My dad said, you can't miss your mom. She looks like a flamingo.
Hey guys, how's it going? Oh my gosh. Ah, stinker. Oh, I love it. Oh my god. Gosh, look how good it looks there. It's perfect.
I just bought a brand new light for it. Literally brand new.
This is
it's all live
beautiful.
plants too. I want to take you to the store and let you just like
Pick some pretty.
yeah, just pick a bunch of
I
whatever.
definitely like angelfish. I know that.
Comes with
full service.
monthly maintenance.
Full service.
Woohoo!
Feels so good.
Look who it is. It is the next day. We got Madre and Taylor. Oh my gosh, dude, mega tank. Look at the size of that tank. You like that, Mom? You want that in your living room?
No.
I am getting one. Taylor, you can't be telling people that's January. 350 gallons salt water. I hope it happens now that I said it. Look at the Oscars.
Oh, you know what I'm looking at?
Oh yeah, you can get a ball shark, Mom.
Ooh, I thought I saw a shark. That's exactly.
Look right there.
Excuse me.
That's what it is.
That's what caught my eye when I was up there. I love that. Dad
Aren't
would
those
like
pretty?
that. Dad would like that.
Look at all those ball sharks, dude. These things are beautiful.
That's what caught my eye. I said, are there sharks back there? Big
Those
though.
Oscars.
That's too big.
Yeah,
What about?
those Oscars are freaking beautiful, though.
I love this one. Oh, look at his. What's this guy?
Those are African cichlids. Could do a couple, you know, good-sized cichlids.
Can we mix? You can't put an Oscar with anybody, huh?
Oh no, you can. Look at him. He's with these guys right now.
That's true.
But these are a little big for that tank.
Look at all the little dots on these bottom.
That's what I'm saying. Look, you can
He's
get
really pretty.
you can get a couple of these bigger cichlids. We're gonna look for an Oscar, and we hope we can find one. Mama, look how cool this fish is. Panther grouper.
Oh, I seen that in one of your videos.
Yeah.
That's really pretty.
They have what?
No.
Yeah, and they have a super gray fluffy bunny.
Okay, we're getting a hedgehog.
What did I do to myself, dude?
He
So I
looks
walked
like
up to the counter here, and there's a.
Oh.
Yeah, I know,
He
right?
looks like a little hippopotamus. He's like those things that get stuck on your socks. Oh, what?
I hate them.
Ouch! Ow! Ow!
And this is the one you want, Taylor? He's got a bunch of hair, so all the shavings are getting
Yeah.
stuck to him. Look at him. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Oh, he's a little boy.
Hey. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So I was thinking about buying you this.
Oh
one.
no! That is so disgusting. How does anyone want to play with that? Gross.
You know there's people watching right now with tarantulas.
Oh, sorry.
And they're not gonna like you anymore.
Oh, I take it back.
I don't take it back. I ain't touching that.
Playing with everything. I could like live here.
Alright, now we're in the fish section. This is the fish section.
Okay,
This is the fish section.
I understand. I can obviously.
So this is where the fish are.
That's what I would be doing, something like that. But Dad wants Oscars. He likes big, aggressive, mean fish.
Look at.
Ooh,
See how they get all fired up? Those are Oscars.
you're kidding.
Yeah, those are baby Oscars.
Oh,
How crazy is that fish right there?
oh, that's beautiful.
Right?
What is that?
Isn't that insane?
Yeah. What is that called again?
It's a Coralama.
I want him.
The Coralama?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's actually a decor. It's fake.
Oh, you dumb.
It's not anything. It's just.
I was wondering what he's really doing.
I love someone that's never been in a fish store before. This is awesome.
You also got me with the hippos.
Yeah. There's hippos in this tank.
I thought they were real.
Right there. These fake hippos right
Don't
here.
point out my goodness, please. I thought they were the hairless guinea pigs.
Hey, Mom, you want to come more often?
I'd love it. I'd love to work here.
You like to work here?
I would.
Maybe I should make my own pet store.
Yes.
Ooh,
Oh my
dude.
gosh. Why not? Dad's retiring in 4 years. I work for you anyway.
Dude, let's let the Cuffaros make that decision.
All right, so what are we gonna do? I can't believe I want it. So we'll just buy that decor fish and put him in.
Yeah, at this point, we could literally just buy that. Turtles.
I like that one.
You like turtles?
Yeah, do I like turtles? Look at that.
Oh, you got the tattoo. I like turtles.
Oh, look at him. His eyeballs go all different ways.
Yeah, he's chilling.
That
He's
is a beautiful,
he is
beautiful creature. Look at the top of his head. It's
chilling.
so prehistoric, you know? He reminds me of those dinosaurs,
Yeah.
right?
look, not for sale. Bummer.
And then they'll have orange and what is it, a tiger one?
Yeah, tiger.
I think that sounds good. And then, can we get a pleco?
Yeah. Well, I have a pleco there too. I have a little. No point in spending money if you got them all at the other house.
I know I don't like. All right, so that sounds good. We'll just get stuff to decorate it, Paulie.
Yeah, we'll get
All
a
right.
couple pieces of nice driftwood
All right,
or something.
okay, cool.
Like that
Did it have-
right there as
I
I'm
have
looking
the
at it.
hedgehog, Yeah.
60
I'm
bucks.
home with a hedgehog.
All right.
No, I can't. I have
We're gonna buy
flour.
it. Yeah, absolutely. Now, since we know what we're getting now, it's gonna be 2 of the bigger Oscars at the other house. We're gonna have to net them out of the 4,000 gallon. But since we are doing Oscars, they're gonna be moving around, kicking a lot of sand up, and we don't want to do the small live plants that we had prior. Those, which will pop with that white sand we have.
Like beach
watching.
I'm not a big fan of artificial. I started doing live and it's so much more fun. So with these fake ones, they have weights at the bottom and it'll keep it like always standing straight up.
Too much work.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm not there to maintain it constantly. So how about you pick one? What am I doing?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Just taller ones, so like these.
I mean, I like that. I'm just trying to picture. I kind of like how this has some color to it.
Got it.
All right.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, I'm always looking for a little
17
color.
bucks for that thing.
Oh my God.
Thankfully, Manscaped sponsored today's video, so we're good. So we are completely doing a 360 here on this tank, like 360. Everything we put in it, well, plant-wise, and this little tiny structure I had was meant for like community fish and like smaller stuff. We're just switching it off. We're gonna take all that out. We'll end up putting the live plants probably at my house, but this is all gonna be really, really cool. You excited?
I'm very excited. I love that piece. Look, Taylor. Look, that piece of wood in that tank. That's good.
Decor, which every single person working in that store was dying over this piece. So this is gonna be really nice in the tank. Bunch of plants. Mom, you happy?
I'm very happy, thank you.
Of course, such a great son.
He's the best. So are my other two.
Woohoo! Oh, Suzanne, all right. Here you go, Suzanne. Nice little munchies. Everyone at the farm is eating right now. Come on. Oh my, throw each other to get this food. Sure thing, here you go. Spray you guys down, it's hot. He loves it. All right, I got both the Oscars and I had no net, so I walked the cast net up against the wall and trapped them in the net and then picked them up out of the water. Look at them. Look at how beautiful that is. And then they have an albino one right here. So these guys were the smaller ones and there was literally just these two that are small. Everything else is big. I mean, literally everything else is huge. I was gonna get you a pleco too, Mom, the rhino pleco, but it grew twice the size. I didn't know that, so.
Well, that's a good thing.
It's not gonna fit. It's a good thing, but it's not gonna fit. So we just have two Oscars for you. What do you think?
You know how beautiful they're gonna look in that tank? You can really appreciate those colors and like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I love them.
Right?
So now Dad gets his Oscars he wants and I get the colors I want.
Yep.
Perfect.
We got the drip acclimation going. The Oscars are acclimating. Oh goodness, not you. What is that, Nero? What is that? I gotta take this stuff out and then replace it with all of our new stuff right here. What's going on, Flower? This is the moss side. Which way do you want it, Mom? This way or that way?
That way.
The moss? Where you
I
can see
think
the moss?
so, yeah. Mom's filming, so please excuse.
So just like when we first put the substrate in, it stirs up, but it will eventually clear. So right now it's not gonna be the clearest, which is unfortunate, but in a couple hours it will be. Now we have our 4 plants that are gonna go in the back. These are taller. That's why I wanted the fake ones, because this is a tall tank and the taller plants will look more natural other than having like the small short ones. So installing artificial plants, it's really easy, Mom. I wanna show you how. You kind of just throw them out the tank. They're in.
They're in.
That transition was a bit different than I thought in my head. Look at the colors. See that? Beautiful. Such a pretty fish.
I'm gonna really enjoy it in the living room.
Look at that. Tiger Oscar. There it goes.
Here we go. Oh,
The dopest fish to ever have in that
they're
tank.
absolutely gorgeous.
It's like a little pair of Oscars in a big old tank. And once it gets clean, you'll be able to see it, like way better.
Yeah.
You saw how clear the tank was right before we put that in? That's how clear it's gonna get.
Pretty clean up, honestly.
So dope. Dad is gonna be stoked.
Oh, he's gonna love it. You know how nice it would be to sit on that couch and watch these fish?
Oh yeah, this is like a secondary TV.
That's what I wanted, something that we can really enjoy their colors and movement. A bunch of little ones is nice, but this is, you know what I mean?
Yeah, this is next level. And I have all the live plants right here from my
Colors
house.
change.
Oh, I know.
Holy cow. They are
sick?
beautiful.
I knew you would love it.
Wow.
Couch your babies, look at those colors, huh, honey?
Oh
They'll be up at the
God.
surface more.
They are awesome.
Wait till they get like comfortable and they start coming up and chasing your hand.
Oh yeah.
Because they'll blow up. Look at that fish. So cool looking, and then you got this guy over here too. Beautiful. All right, so that is it. Mom, what do you think? Final review.
I love it.
We got new fish for their house. This is gonna get clear. We're gonna see it so much more in the videos. I'm sure we're gonna be filming this a lot more. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this stuff.
It's so much better than I would. It's so funny because we go back and forth about what we're gonna do, what's actually gonna happen.
They've always wanted a big tank, and in today's video, we made it happen. Without further ado, that is all I have for today. I am going to post a video tomorrow, I think, as well. So stick along for that one. Smash the like button if you want to see a video tomorrow. Check out the merch, top link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. You know what? I'm gonna let you do it. I'm gonna let you do it.
No, do it with me.
Oh,
no.
you're wearing merch too.
I am.
And my dad's got a tattoo. You
I can't do peace.
Yeah, you gotta say peace. And cover the camera. Peace, and then cover the camera.
Do I have to say it like peace?
Yeah, yeah. More like a you know.
Oh. Peace.
No.
No, that's not good.
You went like this.
I did. I went like a 3.
Yeah, more like a 2. You know.
2. Peace.
No.
Peace.